Okay. Hello, my name is Andrew Cohen, and I'm the manager of the Bloomberg Trading Room. Quick background on the Bloomberg Trading Room, and then show you how to log on so that you can utilize the Bloomberg terminals and get the best use out of it for your class. All right, first of all, Bloomberg Trading Room is located in room 2002 in Constant Hall. It's on the second floor of the business building. All right, the hours of operation are 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. Monday through Friday, and 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. on Saturdays. So let's go take a look inside the Bloomberg room. As you can see, there's 24 terminals that are available for usage, and it's an open lab, so you guys can come in anytime you like between 9 and 9 a.m. and 7 p.m. and utilize it, or on Saturdays. I'm going to show you guys how to log in. Okay. When you sit down on one of these terminals, you're going to have two screens. First thing you would do is log in with your university Midas ID to get into this screen. Once you're here and logged in, you're going to see a green icon right there saying Bloomberg. And what you can do is use your mouse and hit left click, double click on it to open it up, which is going to bring you into the Bloomberg section. First thing you're going to follow just the directions. It says please enter go to begin, which you can utilize by either left clicking or hitting the enter go button. They both work the same way. And now, since you don't have a login yet, you're going to have to click the blue over here and click create a new login. And of course, since you're a new client, you've never been a client before, you click no, hit continue. Now, here you'll put your first and last name in. I'm going to do this for demo purposes. And now the password does not have to be your Midas ID. It could be something different. You don't have to do about caps or anything like that. I would make your password simple, something you're sure you can remember. And then you'll need to put a cell phone number in here. You'll need to put two phone numbers in. You can put the same number twice if you like, as long as you fill it in. So you see I put my cell phone number in there, and then I'm going to put my ODU email. Once you've completed everything, you'll hit continue. What's going to happen is you're going to then give a choice to send a code to your cell phone. So I'm going to ask for a text. I'm going to hit send code. And in a few seconds, immediately, I've gotten a code to put in there. In this case, it's 7673. I'm going to type that in, 7673. Hit create login. And now I have a login name. It's going to give me I've already successfully created my login. Now I can change the login, or I can click here to return to the login screen. Or I can now log in my normal way. And log into Bloomberg. We'll get a message welcoming you to Bloomberg. And I'm just going to show you a couple of basic keys on the keyboard for this video. Alright, as I said before, the enter go or the left click works the same way. If you want to look at your mail, I could open it, I could left click it, or I could just scroll over it and hit enter go. So the go is generally the go command and forward. To get back out of things, you would hit the end menu key, diagonally to the right of it. So that gets you back out of things. If you want to get a clear screen to go back to the beginning, you hit the escape button to go back to the beginning. To log off, you could hit this red button, which basically gets out of everything. So a good analogy to look at this is like a stoplight. Basically, green is your go keys. All the keys on top here, for example, if you want to look at news, you just hit the green news key. Okay, the green are the go keys, the red are the stop or going back keys, and the yellow are the different functions. Now, I encourage you guys all to come in here and at your set time, come in and log in, and I'll give you guys a lot more information on Bloomberg. Once you get used to it, it's a lot of fun, it's great information. It'll help you not only for your classes, but also it'll hopefully help improve your aptitude for your career.